Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to make banana daiquiri. Some time ago I saw Andrew from Angry Cocktails making a variation of the banana daiquiri, but in his opinion the banana flavor was not too dominant. So I took his specs and tried to make a variation of his variation in order to see if I can bring these banana flavors more noticeable. To do that, I choose to use banana rum from Réunion, and we will see how it goes. We take our shaker and we're gonna put 2 ounces or 60 mils of the banana rum. I should open it in advance. That would save me some time. Ooh, it smells nice banana. 2 ounces, 60 mils. It's really good. You taste the rum, and since it's a Rum Agricole, you have this kind of funkiness with the banana. It's wonderful. To that we're going to add 1 ounce or 30 mils of banana liqueur. As always, I go with Liqueur. And the recipe calls for 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of lime juice. We're going to add some ice to the shaker. And we're going to shake. Okay, we'll take our glass. And I'm gonna decorate the glass with a banana chip. And I'm gonna double strain the drink into a coupe glass. I already smell the banana from both the rum and the liqueur. So that is how we make the banana daiquiri, variation of a variation. Let's give it a try. Whew, that's so good. It's kind of a banana lollipop, if it makes sense, because you have slight acidity from the lime juice, but on the other hand, the very dominant banana flavors from the rum and from the liqueur, and like really in the back, kind of almost absent is kind of this funky shadow of the Agricole rum. Really, it's whew. In a way I regret I did that, because now I'm almost addicted, but it's really good. So if you like banana flavors, give this drink a try, and if you find banana rum, I think it's worth it to get a bottle. You can use it in many drinks. So nevertheless, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.